Hey guys, welcome back to part 3 of my Discord.py series. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up Pycharm and also VScode. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first you need to download Discord.py or VScode. So using these two, you can also just look at my other series, Python Basics, where I show you guys how to download this step by step. So once we have either Pycharm or VScode downloaded, we're going to make a new project called Discord.py, right? So we're going to create a new project, and that's going to load up our new project. So once our project is finished setting up, we can then just add Discord.py and also Firebase-admin to our project. The way we do that is, if you're on Windows, you can just click Control, O, and S, which would then bring up your settings menu, right here. Another way you can access this is that you can go up to Files, and also go down to Settings right here, right? You can then see this menu right here that will pop up. This is where you can then install and change configuration for Pycharm itself. You can then go down here to Projects, and then go to Python Interpreter. Here you can see all the libraries that you have installed inside of this current project. Each project has their own packages that are installed. So since this is a new project, we only have pip and setup tools. Then we can go over to this little plus sign right here and click install, right? Then we can look up the libraries that we want. So we want Discord.py right here. It should be the first thing that's popped up. It tells you the version number and also the author, right? So my current version number is 1.7.3. So we're just going to click install. As you can see down here, you can then see that it's installing it right now and that it's finished installing it. Next, we want to find out another one. So we want to go to Firebase-admin up here, and it should be the only one, right? So the Firebase-admin Python SDK. Here we just click install, and now it's going to install that package for us. Now we just have to wait until it says that it's installed successfully. So as you see down here, Firebase-admin is finished installing, so we can exit out of this. And as you can see right here, both of those libraries that we installed also came with different other libraries. So the Discord.py and Firebase-admin library both installed a bunch of different libraries like the Google APIs. We just click OK, and now we have successfully installed both Pycharm and Firebase. Okay, so now I'll show you guys how to do this on VS Code itself. So once you're in VS Code, you need to go down here to the extension folder, and then you need to go look up Python. So VS Code is not a fully stacked IDE like Pycharm is, so you have to install Python itself. So once you click install Python, you should have it. So once you finish installing Python, you can go up here, whatever you name your folder, and then you can just click add file. So once you add a new file, you can name it whatever. So the first file we have, we want to name it main.py. So the .py will tell VS Code that this is a Python file. So yeah, you need to do this. And now you have a Python file right here. And now you need to install Discord.py and also Firebase-admin. The way you would do that is that you go up to the terminal and click new terminal. So once you click new terminal, it opens up a new terminal at this directory. So at where our current directory is, right? Then we want to install those libraries. We can then do pip install space Discord.py. Then you click enter, and then Python would then install that onto your computer, right? So now it's finished installing, and now we do the same thing. So pip install, and then we want to do Firebase-admin. This is a -admin, not _admin or anything else. It's -admin. Click enter, and now Firebase should be installed onto this directory itself and onto our computer. As you see right there, it's finished. So that's how you get Firebase and also Discord.py onto VS Code. Pretty different from Pycharm itself. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see you guys next time.